بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Good morning, my shining stars of grade 7th. This is 4th week of blended learning. Take care of yourselves and your family. I hope you are doing well and preparing well for upcoming exams. This is the 12th week and I am going to start today's lesson. You all must participate actively in the physical and Google classes. I am sure that my brilliant minds are taking great interest in doing their classwork and homework seriously in time. Now let us start today class. Dear students, as you know that we had started Unit 14 of our Social Studies book. Students, remember to keep pen or pencil with you to write important points. Dear students, let us have a brief introduction of the unit. This chapter deals with the sequence of events following the efforts begun by Shah Waliullah and Syed Ahmed Shahid. The movements towards national unity came not only from the subcontinent but in a wider context, from Muslims across the borders, confirming the concept of the Muslim Ummah, a community united despite ethnic and cultural differences. Dear students, as you know, we have 5 prominent personalities to study in this unit. They are: 1. Jamaluddin Afghani, 2. Muhammad Abduh, 3. Maulana Muhammad Ali Jawhar, 4. Allama Iqbal, 5. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Dear students, today we will learn about Maulana Muhammad Ali Jawhar and his contribution for the unity and freedom of Muslims of subcontinent. Dear student, Maulana Muhammad Ali Jawhar was born in 10th December 1878 at Rampur, British India, and died on 4th January 1931 and buried at Masjid al-Aqsa, Jerusalem. That he didn't wish to dig his grave in a slave country called India. Mulana Muhammad Ali Jawhar was an Indian leader, activist, scholar, journalist, and poet. He belonged to a Pathan tribe of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. He studied at the famous Muslim institutes, Darul Uloom Deoband and Aligarh Muslim University. He studied modern history from Oxford University in 1898. On his return to India he became the educational director of Rampur State. Dear students, Mulana Muhammad Ali Jawhar attended the first meeting of the Muslim League in 1906. He was a brilliant writer both in English and Urdu. He started his own newspapers called Hamdard and Comrade in 1911. He worked hard to expand the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College. He was also a co-founder of Jamia Millia Islamia. He became the president of Muslim League in 1918 and worked with it till 1928. Mulana Muhammad Ali Jawhar traveled to England in 1919 to stop the deposition of the Turkish Sultan, Mustafa Kemal, who was the Caliph of Islam. The rejection of British started the Caliphate movement by the Muslims. In 1921 he actively brought Muslims together against the British rule and was thus put in jail for 2 years. Dear students, Mulana Muhammad Ali Jawhar became President of Indian National Congress in 1923. He opposed the Nehru Report as he did not want British or Hindu leadership and thus supported the 14 points of Quaid-e-Azam. He attended the famous Round Table Conference in 1930 for Muslim League. He fell ill and died soon afterwards in London on January 4, 1931. He was buried at Beit al-Muqaddas in Jerusalem upon his will. He stopped the killing of baby daughters alive before he died. His wish was that he didn't wish to dig his grave in a slave country called India. Dear students, here I would like to introduce a very important personality, Bima. No discussion of the Ali brothers will be complete without mentioning their mother, known as Bima. Abadi Bano Begum was a prominent voice in the Indian independence movement. She was also known as Biman. Begum was one of the first Muslim women to actively take part in politics and was part of the movement to free India from the British Raj. Dear students, Mulana Muhammad Ali Jawhar had a brother named Maulana Shaukat Ali, was an Indian Muslim leader of the Caliphate movement. He was the elder brother of the renowned political leader Muhammad Ali Jawhar. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. Thanks.